Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my eyeshadow. I'm going to do a nice, I know it's not summer, but I love the colours that I chose. So I'm going to use my Festival palette and the Essential palette as well. So I start off with a flat brush like this. I prefer using a flat brush. No, I'm going to prime first, sorry. We'll prime first. So dab a little bit on. This will help your eyeshadow stay on longer and also make the colours pop. You just dab it all around your eye. It's better to dab than rub. Yeah. So I'm going to get my flat brush and I'm going to use magenta pink first. So I'm going to apply it on the outside. And instead of rubbing, I'm just going to dab. Clean it up at the end. Just do a third of the eye. Yep. Get a little bit more. I didn't clean up at the end anyway if you get it, like I just did. So next I'm going to get my orange, but I'm going to mix it with a bit of white and a bit of glitter from the Essential palette. Just to give it a little shimmery, use a mixed in that with it. Just give it a little bit of a shimmer. So again, dab it on and overlap it on the pink. As you can see. Then we're going more for the other eye. Then I'm going to go in with some yellow. I love using yellow on with a primer because it really makes it stand out a lot more than without primer. See what I mean? Get a little bit more. Now I'm going to grab a fluffy brush just to blend out all them harsh lines at the top. And go same with the other eye. So next I'm going to use the duo eyeliner. I'm going to use the white just because it's a nice light colour on my eyes. So then I'll go in with our FX Lash Mascara. This is the waterproof one. Excuse my frown lines. It's my mascara face. A bit on the lower lash here and a bit low on the lash. There. And voila! The rest of my face is done. Now, Nord, nowhere to go, but looking okay. Hope you enjoyed it, and remember, I used the flat brush first to apply, then I use a fluffy brush to blend it all in then. Thanks for watching.